Hey y'all, I'm T the Brand, Lash Brand Growth Specialist. And that just means that I help lash artists like you grow their businesses and increase their clientele with tailored and calculated strategies. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to take you guys on my off day adventure. It's not like a super huge adventure, but I love off days. And I love off days where I have like stuff to do to get out the house. But more than anything, I love the off days where I don't have to leave my bed. But today, I have some exciting things, happy things happening. Nothing crazy. I'm going to go meet my sister for brunch in about 30 minutes. So I need to head that way. I'm gonna meet my sister for brunch. I'm gonna go get my two nails fixed. I was at a game night on this past Friday and it got real. Okay, so I gotta go get my nails fixed. What else is on my agenda? Coming home, cleaning up my apartment, finishing up editing two other YouTube videos, and then this one we'll drop it one day. And then lastly, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my off day. I actually took some things out to cook today, so I kind of got to do that. But the food gonna be smacking, so we ain't even worried about it. So y'all, let's get to it. So I'm going to meet my sister Jennifer for brunch. Let's talk about this relationship. So she is not my biological sister. We are not a part of a blended family. She is my big sister in spirit. Okay, so around this time last year, what time is this year? It's May 2023, and around I'm gonna say April 2022. I had this client, and the client knew Jennifer, and she was trying to get her to come to me because she wanted her lashes done. She likes my clients' lashes, but Jennifer was like, them prices. And so Jennifer goes to somebody else to get her lashes done and hates them. And I loved that for her because she was like, okay, I'm going to give your girl a try. And she came and gave me a try. Uh-oh. Okay, cool, we good. So she came, gave me a try as her lash artist, and y'all, for the last year, we see each other at least once a month. Okay, so we became friends through me being her lash artist, and it was just really crazy because the first appointment that we had together, it was just like instant connection, and this is meant to be. Like, I told my best friends when Jennifer left her appointment, I'm like, I just met this lady and I'm in love with her, and I think I love her so much that she's gonna be the first person to know when I'm having kids. Like, that's just how the connection was. It was dope. It was crazy. And through our relationship this last year, we've just forged a sisterhood, and I talked to her about so much. She talks to me about so much. We help each other do life, and it's just amazing. So this is one thing that I'm always telling people, other lash artists and business owners, especially in these early beginning stages, or when you're like first starting out, getting your business, I can't even say off the ground because it's still on the ground. Don't be so caught up and worried about and hurt and bent about family and friends not supporting you. I have had more clients, strangers become friends than I have had family or friends become clients. And I know that that's crazy, and I know that it's super sucky, but it's just how it goes. And you have to know, you have to trust, you have to believe that if God gave you a vision, He is going to provide provision for it. So you keep doing what it is that you're supposed to do, and He is going to send the people who are for you and for your business and for your growth to you. So yeah, don't worry about friends and family ain't supporting. That's fine. I mean, yeah, it sucks, it hurts, but you will be okay. He is going to send you your people as long as you're doing what you need to do. So that's that on that. So Jennifer and I are about to go meet at First Watch. I love First Watch. I've only been to First Watch once. It's a little breakfast brunch spot. And they had this like cranberry cinnamon drink that I was in love with because I love cranberry juice. It had some other kind of like fruit juices in there, but it came with a cinnamon stick, and that's so cute. And then I put the cinnamon stick in my water anyway. I can't wait to put my cinnamon stick in my new little cup. Ski wee to the pretty girls, okay? So headed there to meet Jennifer. After I meet her, I'm going to go to my nail tech. I know I said that in the intro. I'm going to go meet my nail tech, JoJo. And on the way there, I'll tell y'all a little bit about JoJo. But for now, we finna go eat. And hopefully Jennifer don't mind being on camera. If she cool with it, then I'll let her say hey to y'all. If not, then this is her hey to y'all. Okay, so she said she's gonna speak. All right, so lunch is over and it is time to go and get my nails fixed, and I'm so happy that she had time for me today because I don't be wanting to be out here looking like this, okay? And we've been doing each other's services. So she does my nails, I do her lashes, and we've been doing this service swap for a little it's been about 1.5 years now. So let me tell y'all about JoJo. JoJo is my girl. That is my friend. Before I get on JoJo, Jennifer. Okay, so lunch was great. Me and Jennifer talk about a whole lot of everything. I have never had a big sister figure before. I have an older sister, but to have somebody as like a big sister figure, I've never had that. I've always been the big sister to people, whether I'm older or younger than them. That's just always been the role that I've played, in people's lives. And to have somebody like that for me, like, God, it's amazing. And it was very on time, Jennifer and I's relationship, and she has watched me grow and change so much over the last year, and I just love doing life with her. So yeah, that's my sister, and that's just that on that. Okay, so JoJo and I, we became friends in 4th grade. After 4th grade, we went to different schools and, just got totally disconnected. However, at some point, we started following each other on social media. And when she started doing nails in 2020, I went to her once and I told her, I'm thinking about starting lashes. I'm planning to take a lash class, blah, blah, blah. And I asked her if she would be okay with, being a model for me. She said yes. And then she even... we agreed, we agreed that we would, service swap. Okay, cool. We did not start service swapping until 2 years later. So we started doing swapping services. Why am I struggling right now? We started swapping services in 2022. And yeah, ever since then, we just been locked in again. And it's been great doing life with her as well. At one point, she was a part of my mentorship program. And, I started kind of helping her. But then I shut that group down. I am going to tell y'all why. I shut that group down because majority of the group was not working. And I'm just the type of person, I want you to do the work if I'm going to be helping you. One, because I don't want to waste your time or waste my time. And if I'm going to be, advising you and pouring into you, I need you to be doing the things that I'm telling you to do because they work, and that's why you came to me. So anyway, JoJo was a part of that group and her business is flourishing now. Yeah. And so, yeah, that's been my friend for a long time. We got reconnected, and it's just been great. So I love supporting her. We send each other business. Anytime people see my nails on the internet or in person, I'm like, I got a girl, and she will get you right. And, yeah, so I send people her way, and it's just been really, really dope. So I'm headed to her now. I got about a 30-minute drive from where I am, and we're going to get these 2 little nail fixed. After that, I got to stop by the grocery store, because I am going to cook dinner tonight. And I went grocery shopping last night, but I forgot something, so I got to go get it. So yeah, going to the grocery store. I'm going to go home. Hopefully, I can straighten up the apartment and then cook dinner. Because knowing me, I'm going to want to take a nap. And we just going to see. We're going to see how it goes. So yeah. Y'all, we back in the game. She got me back together. All right, y'all. I'm back in the game. Period. I can't be posting content with broke nails. I mean, I could, but who wants to do that? It's so ugly. And then aside from the content, just every day, I don't want to walk around with 2 broke nails. Okay, so yeah, this got me together, and I'm so excited. Tomorrow she'll be coming to see me because, like I said, we do each other's services. So she does my nails. Tomorrow I'll do her lashes, and yeah, that'll be that. So now I am headed to the grocery store. Oh, I almost forgot because I was finna say I was headed home. I'm headed to the grocery store so that I can get I need some cooking oil, and then I'm heading home to hopefully clean the apartment, tidy up the apartment before I take a nap. And then, yeah, I got YouTube to do, and that'll be it for my to-do list. Period. We winning today. Okay, so my plan was to go to Kroger. But then on my way home, I had to pass Target. J, baby. I need one thing, but we coming out with plenty. Here's my thing with Target. See, it don't matter what you think you need. You don't really know what you need until you get in here. And once you get in Target, then Target is gonna let you know what it is that you need. So, yeah, trust the process. Okay, so I didn't do bad at all. I was saved by my bladder because I have to use the restroom. I did pick up this card game that I like, and what else did I grab? Oh, some push pins for my cork board because I'm gonna change some of my stuff out. Oops, hold on. I'm gonna change my stuff out on my cork board for my goals for the month, and then I got something else. Can't remember. Oh, some index cards for the cork board. So that's that. Now, when I got to the checkout area, all the self-checkout things were taken, which no problem. So I got in this guy's line, and as I'm going to, I gave him some cash, and so he pressed the little button to skip to where I couldn't enter my number in to get my Target reward points back. And I said, how you know I didn't have a number to put in? And he goes, oh, did you want to put it in? Yes, you ain't supposed to be reaching around here touching my screen. I ain't say that, but I wanted to, just a little bit. And so he was like, oh, okay, well, I'm sorry. You know, usually when people pay with cash, they don't put it in. I said, no, I need all of my Target reward points. So he goes, moves the screen back. I put my number in, and my total was like $30. And he says, I gave him 40. And he's like, ma'am, you need $10 more. I said, I just gave you 2 20s. And he's like, oh, I dropped one. And then he picks it up from behind the counter. I said, don't play with my money. And I was like, let me go ahead and get out of Target. So yeah, now I'm heading home. Oh, I did get my grease too that I needed. So I'm heading home. I'm not gonna start dinner yet. I'm gonna just, clean up the apartment a little bit, and then edit these YouTube videos. This makes 3 now, and after that I'll take me a little break before it's time to get dinner started. We winning today. Okay, so house is clean. I sat down for a little bit to just decompress and eat, and now I am getting ready to edit my YouTube videos that I need to get done. I came down to the pool because I really like working down here. Usually the water fountain is on, but it's not, and that water fountain gives it like a really cool, chill, peaceful kind of feel. But it still feels really nice out here. It's not hot. I'm just sitting right in the sun. And there's a nice little breeze. Now I'll show y'all what the pool area looks like. It's not popping right now because the fountain that's usually on is not. But this is it. So yeah, I'm gonna get these videos edited and then get upstairs when I'm done, so that I can go ahead and cook dinner and enjoy the rest of my off day. So y'all, I'm actually gonna go ahead and wrap this video up because I don't have anything else to show for my day. But I hope that my off day in the life was cool enough for you to stick through the video with me. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button. You're gonna learn and grow here. Like the video if you like it. If you have any questions, any comments, drop them in the comment section. Turn on your bell notification button so that you're aware every time I share new valuable content, and I will see y'all in the next one.